if you have RB stabilizers that are not going up and down, even if you press retract or extend, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If you check your fuses and they look good, this might actually be the problem. Remove the screws. Pull it out, and look at what we got here. It's like this edge just completely melted right off. So these little crimp connectors, you can find them at any hardware store. We're gonna be using the number 12 to number 10s. And these number 10 female disconnects. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut this. We're gonna strip the wire using a Catapult by Kleins. Twist the wire, take the new one, slip it on. Your crimping tool will say insulated. We're gonna open the crimping tool and put it right in here. We're gonna push the wire in as much as we can go and squeeze that sucker tight. Give it a really good pull. Since this switch is broken, I'm gonna show you how to replace it. There'll be a link in the description below to get this switch. We have to add our connectors to it. Pull this strips off. So the two bottom ones are gonna get the yellow connectors. On the crimping tool, it says insulation, and squeeze it nice and tight. Black one's also gonna get a yellow. The blue and yellow are gonna get the blue connectors. And the yellow is gonna get a blue connector. Give it a good squeeze. Now we're gonna pull on every one. Make sure that they're nice and tight. They are. Now that our connections are secure, this is how you wire it. You'll notice this black cable has a black and a red wire. The blue goes to that red wire. Yellow goes to black. The other two wires on the switch, the black and red, black goes to the black with the red stripe on it. Red and red. There you go. Let's hit retract. It's going up. Hit extend. And it's going down. Using some black electrical tape, we're going to wrap this all up. I like to fold the end of it just in case we need to unwrap it. And we can shove this back in. My holes match the holes, but I just need to cut away at the bottom. Get this, move this out of the way. All right, there we go, there we go. That lined up perfectly with the holes. Awesome. Link in the description down below to get everything you need to get the job done. If you want to support the channel, watch the video twice. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you and only He can solve your biggest problem.